Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will talk about a print on demand platform like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon. You can upload your designs into it and earn money, and I will keep make videos like this one to showing you all print on demand platforms so that you can work on it and scale your income. So let's get started. Today's site is Spreadshirt. So every site I will make a video about which I will talk about 5 parts. I will talk about the definition, the repetition, the support, the profit margin, the users, and finally how to open an account. The definition. Founded in Germany by graduate student Lukas Gadowski, Spreadshirt is an online platform for apparel merchandising that allows internet site operators to create their own online shops for free and sell customized products. Spreadshirt lets anyone from companies to individuals integrate these online shops with their own websites. Requirements for using Spreadshirt are minimal. You only need an internet connection and design files for products. As said, for this, Spreadshirt does the rest for its over 300 shops partners by handling the production, shipping, payment, processing, customer service, and provided other online merchandising tool. The reputation. According to Trustpilot, Spreadshirt have a 4.2 rating, and I noticed that many customers complain about the service on Spreadshirt. A lot of them complain about the size, and some said they receive the wrong products, so that can have a negative effect to our business. But Spreadshirt is definitely a service worth giving a shot if you are just getting into print on demand business and have no idea how to go about setting up your own shop. Then Spreadshirt is the perfect platform for you. The support. Spreadshirt have two options to contact their support. The first one is the number. So this is the number if you are from United States, and this is the number if you are outside United States. And the second option is to contact them on email. So this is the email. They spend between 3 to 5 business days. The profit margin. Spreadshirt sellers are able to earn over 60% of the product's price, so their potential earnings surpass the payouts of global competitors like Amazon, Zazzle, and Redbubble. So a typical seller with a $20 t-shirt will receive over $7 in commission with Spreadshirt, and contrasted with the 4 commission from Coffee Press. Over 4 million visitors come to the Spreadshirt platform per month, as it allows creative designers, entrepreneurs, and money dreamers an opportunity to earn money from a lucrative and easy side hustle. And you have 3 options commission types. The first one is the marketplace profit margin. Depend if the product was sold. For example, if the product are a t-shirt, you earn $6, a stickers you earn $1, etc. The second one is customizing tool profit margin. If the customer love a product, have your design and start customize it, and finally if he buy that product, you will earn $3. And the third one is the Spreadshirt profit margin. Here you can edit your margin the way you want, because it's your shop and you have the freedom to customize the price of the product and the profit margin. Also, the minimal payout is $10, and you have 2 options to receive your money: the PayPal account and your credit card. The users. The site was ranking 4,000 globally and 6,000 in the US. Spreadshirt have 4 million monthly users. The average these users stay on the site is 3 minutes, and every user scroll at least 4 pages. So 3 minutes and 4 pages means that the site is fast and friendly for users. And this is the top 5 country visitors of Spreadshirt. Now the final part, how to create an account on Spreadshirt. First, go to google.com and type Spreadshirt. Click at register, Now in this video I will create just a normal seller account. It means you just upload your design and wait customers to buy it like Redbubble. But in the next video I will show you the difference between normal Spreadshirt partner and Spreadshop and how you can create a Spreadshop from zero and start customize your shop from scratch. Now you have two options: sell on the marketplace or open a Spreadshop. Enter your information. Now you can complete your information and start uploading your designs. The Spreadshirt marketplace works like other POD platforms. Upload a design and optimize it by enter a title, have keywords and search for good tags to use it on your design, like Redbubble, and start promoting your designs on social media, etc. Just wait for customers to buy your designs from the marketplace because the site have a respectful monthly traffic. And this is it, guys. I hope you benefit from this video, and I will upload another video about how to open a Spreadshirt from zero, step by step for beginners, and how you can customize your shop from scratch. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like, and see you in the next video.